Sarissa pike. The sarissa was a long spear or pike about 4 to 6 meters in length. Introduced by Philip of Macedon, the sarissa would come into use in his Macedonian phalanxes as a replacement for the shorter Dory Spear. This improved the reach of the phalanx considerably, and as a result made the Macedonian Phalanx effectively the dominant military formation in the Hellenistic world. The sarissa was made of tough, resilient cornel wood. Macedon was famed for having high quality timbers, and as a result had a steady supply of wood for their weapons. It was also a very heavy spear, weighing approximately 5.5 kilograms to 6.5 kilograms. The sarissa had a leaf-shaped iron spearhead, as well as a bronze butt spike that would allow it to be anchored to the ground to stop charges of enemy soldiers. The bronze material of this butt spike also prevented it from rusting. This butt spike also served to balance out the spear, making it easier for soldiers to wield. It could also be used as a backup should the main iron head spear point break. It also acted as an effective counterweight. As the sarissa was a very long spear, several adaptations were needed in order to both transport and use the spear. When marching, the spear would often be carried in two parts and then slotted together when in battle. This made transporting the spear far easier. The weight of the sarissa also meant that it needed two hands to operate it. This meant that the large hoplite shield was useless and was replaced by a smaller shield called the pelta, which was slung over the neck of the soldier via a strap. Despite this weapon winning many victories for the Macedonians, it was almost utterly useless when not in a tight phalanx formation. This was largely due to the size of the weapon, which made it extremely impractical when fighting one-to-one. This meant that in these situations, the Macedonian pikemen would often either use swords or a shorter spear. Gradually, the sarissa saw itself become outdated, mainly through the improper use of the sarissa pike phalanx by the successor kingdoms of Alexander the Great. These kingdoms often failed to protect the flanks of their phalanxes, and as war became more mobile, the sarissa saw its use slowly decline, being replaced by more mobile options. Thank you for watching and listening. What historical weapons would you like to see next? Comment down below and I'll be sure to add them to the list. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe. I've been the Ancient History Guy, and as always, I'll be seeing you later.